Probability involves making predictions that show the likelihood or chance of a particular outcome. Probability ranges from 0%, which is impossible, to 100%, which is certain. We can use the language of probability when making our predictions, such as equal to, likely, highly likely, no chance, certainly, and impossible. So for example, when looking at this bag of different coloured counters, I can see that there is a majority of yellow counters. So I might be able to make the prediction that it is highly likely that the first counter I pull out is going to be yellow. I can also make a prediction by saying it is impossible to pull out a pink counter because I can see there's no pink counters in the bag. I could say that there is an equal chance to pull out a red or blue counter because there's 2 red and 2 blue in the bag. So there is an equal chance of pulling out either one of those colours. Making predictions with probability means that you have to look at the information provided to you first, so what you can see, before making a reasonable prediction. We can play games and do experiments to help children use the language of probability and make predictions that make sense based on what they can see and what they think might occur next.